Hello, this is Shalini from APA Arts College for Women from PG Department of Computer Science. We are going to see about data structures today. In data structures, we are going to see about the specific topic stack. What is stack? Stack is a linear data structure that follows the rule. Stack follows the rule actually, that is LIFO. You all know that it is lost in first out. The lost element inserted in the first and to be removed, that is the element inserted lost will be removed at first, that is LIFO. Next example, think of stack of plates. You can add and remove the plates from the top. Suppose we are having a plates in the table. We will remove the plate from the top and we will add the plate on the top. That is the example for that. Then if suppose books are on the table, then we will remove the book from the top and books to be added at the top. These two are example of stack. Next, we are going to see about the characteristics of the stacks. Elements are added and removed from the same end, that is called the top. That is, as well I said before, it is added at the same end and removed from the same end, that is the top end. You can access the elements only from the top. You cannot access the elements from the middle directly. If you want to access the middle plate, you must remove the first and second plate, first plate, then you can access the middle plate. That is the reason, if you want the elements in the middle, you first want to remove the first element, then you can access the second element. The basic operations of the stack are push, pop and pick. Stack operations or push, add element to the top of the stack. Suppose you want to add an element to the top of the stack, you must add it to the top. You must use an operation called push operation. Suppose you want to add the element 10 to the top, you must use push 10 operations. Next we are going to see about pop operations. Pop, remove the element from the top. Pop operation is used to remove the first element of the stack. That is, if element 10 is present at the top, it will be removed if you are using pop operations. Then peek and top returns the top element without removing it. That means that top is that it shows what element is present in the top. It will not remove the element or it will not add the element. Next it is empty. Check if the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, it will show true. If the stack is not empty, the value is present, it will show false. Suppose in this diagram, we explain about the push and pop. Push, the elements are going in. In pop, the elements are going out. That is stack working operations. Suppose 30, 20 and 10 are the stack elements. Suppose we are popping out the element 30, then 20 will be the top element. Okay. Next, applications of these stacks. It is easy to implement, efficient memory usage and useful for recursion. Then the limitations of this stack, we are going to see that it is a fixed size. Then it causes stack overflow and stack underflow. Only top element is accessible. Coming to the conclusion of the stack, it is a simple but powerful data structure. Stack is a simple and powerful data structure based off LIFO. Then used in programming languages, algorithm design. Thank you so much.